Welcome to my channel. OnePlus 6 versus OnePlus 7. The one on the left is OnePlus 7 and the one on the right is OnePlus 6. Before we go into the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for more interesting videos. OnePlus 6 and OnePlus 7 are similar to look, except that OnePlus 7 has a Waterdrop notch and an on-screen fingerprint scanner. OnePlus 6 comes with Snapdragon 845 processor, whereas OnePlus 7, which is a better version of OnePlus 6, has Snapdragon 855 processor. OnePlus 6 comes with 16 plus 20 megapixel dual camera, whereas OnePlus 7 comes with 48 plus 5 megapixel dual camera. OnePlus 6 has the fingerprint scanner in the back, whereas OnePlus 7 has the in-screen fingerprint scanner. Both has LED flash. Let's have a look into OnePlus 6. It has a notch in the front. It feels good to hold it. It has the speakers, charging port and headphone jack in the bottom. The power button is on the right. And it has the silent or vibration slider as well on the right. The SIM slot is on the left. The speaker is near the notch. Basically, the phone is well designed and looks stunning. The display looks cool. It's very fast. It has Snapdragon 845 processor and 3300 mAh battery. And here comes the most awaited OnePlus 7. It looks stunning. It has a Waterdrop notch in the top, which looks cool. And here is the on-screen fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner is very fast. It has two speakers in the bottom and a charging port. It doesn't have a headphone jack. The power button and the slider are similar to OnePlus 6. On the other side, we have the SIM slot. In the top, we have the speakers. OnePlus 7 comes with 855 Snapdragon processor and 3700 mAh capacity of battery. And it comes with very powerful 48 plus 5 megapixel dual camera. Let's see the comparison of OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 6 in detail. I am using OnePlus 6 for the past 11 months and I personally like OnePlus 6. But I love OnePlus 7 for its beauty and its speed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.